Hey everyone, okay, so here we are, Space 40 in Capitol Estates Mobile Home Community. This is an all-age park. It's a great park. I'm going to walk you through this before shot. This is the condition that we sometimes get these mobile homes in. Bear with us here. This one needs a lot of work. Okay, so I mean, it is a large double wide. This is a 1,440 square foot home, so this is gonna be a beauty. So let's start off here. They left their ping pong table, and the shed is, I mean, it's okay. We're gonna have to paint that, and it's full of stuff. That's what it's so we're gonna need to handle that. Okay, let's go inside. These steps are going to need to be redone. New windows to make it energy efficient. The lighting's not going to be amazing. So hopefully you can see what we're dealing with here. This floor, there's probably a leak in the laundry room. We're having the HVAC system looked at. If you can see the roof, the ceiling actually over here looks like watermarks. I did have a roofer come take a look, and we're going to make the necessary repairs for that. Now, okay, so here's a fantastic example of a terrible kitchen. Okay, so, but it's got a great layout, if you can envision. This is a wonderful island space. So we're probably going to bust this out and put a new hood. I'm looking at replacing the double oven and just making this pantry a large pantry. And then I wanted to remove this to create some openness. So we have an open concept. Obviously replace this entire island, add some granite, replace all of these and all of those. New sinks. I don't even know why these are in here, but obviously there's some plumbing issues. So the floors need to be all completely redone. You know, it's just a disaster. Okay, now we're entering the living room, which they've just decided to leave everything. But there's a cute little, I guess that's sort of a pantry. We can convert it to a closet or use it as a pantry for storage. And then here we have a very spacious, this could be a dining room, living room. This has 2 living rooms and 2 dining rooms. It's a pretty large mobile. Come. Okay, so bedroom number 1. Oh, very dark. We're gonna need to brighten it up. Replace all the floors. All the floors need to go, and it's got this beautiful layout, which it has a bathroom connected to the bedroom. It's in complete disarray. Okay, we're entering the master. So it is pretty spacious. Unfortunately, they have different types of wallpaper. Wallpaper is no fun to remove sometimes. But hey, this could be a great one. And it's got, look, a mirror door for the closet. Love that. And then the bathroom, the master bath is very big. It's hyper tacky, but it's very big. Yeah, so very large bathtub, soaking tub, and then a nice shower, toilet. I don't totally understand the pink, but we all have our own taste. And then a large vanity. So it's got a great layout, tons of potential. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna go into the second dining room, and we're going through the living room and the kitchen, so you get a general idea of this layout. It's a great layout. Now, Walker Mobile Homes buys these as is. So if you are a family member who has acquired a home from a loved one and you do not want to deal with their stuff, this is one of the services that we provide. We will take it as is. Obviously, this is a complete disaster, and we do take them like this. We are here to convenience you. We are here as a convenience to you. Okay, let's keep going. So check out the size of this living room. 2 large front windows. It's great. It adds brightness. Might be hard to visualize. Okay, let's go outside. This is actually the front entrance. We came from the cardboard one. A cool feature to this is the massive deck. Look at the size of this deck. It's huge. Great seating area to have, you know, your morning cup of coffee. Just relax. And then down here we have an additional shed, which we're just going to remove because we don't need it. And I'm going to create probably a beautiful seating area. Clean this all up. Okay, so yeah, I think we're going to get rid of the shed because we already have a large shed on the other side. And this is enough space to create a nice patio area. Hey, oh my gosh, check it out. There's even an orange tree. Look at that. We'll probably have to trim that out and clean this whole area up and make it nice and pretty. Stay tuned, huh? Okay, so there you go. I wanted you to see the before because this place is going to get a serious makeover. All right, make sure you get a shot of this kitchen because that is epic. Get ready, it's gonna be fun!